guys, KO here. Welcome to Turmeric and Tequila, where we are working to inspire positive, radical social evolution by uniting mission-driven humans. Today is a special one. It is a musical Legends Unveiled, the Tina Turner. We had to gather to honor and celebrate the life and career of a true music icon, Tina Turner. Join us as we play tribute to the remarkable artist and the incredible impact she had made on the world of music and beyond. Let's jump into Tina Turner's extraordinary legacy. Be sure to join us wherever you get your podcasts and look for the video on YouTube. Cheers.
Welcome to Turmeric and Tequila with your host, Kristen Olson. Questioning a better way, one gracefully disruptive conversation at a time.
Hi, guys. KO here. Welcome to Turmeric and Tequila. We are working to inspire positive, radical social evolution by uniting mission-driven humans. And today we are going to talk about one of the original mission-driven humans that was doing it before most and had significant impact. You know I'm a huge fan, so we had to do a special episode and pay some homage to the great one and only Ms. Tina Turner. If you're looking on YouTube, you can see I have her on my shirt right now. I've been wearing this shirt for the past 2 weeks since we had to say goodbye to the legend. But today I thought it was important for all people, but particularly young people, as always, on Turmeric and Tequila. We want to be feeding them some great intel on the past, present, and future. So I think this is an artist that everyone needs to know about. If your kiddos are listening or you're not familiar with Tina, I want you to listen to all of her incredible journey, all the things she accomplished, but mostly like what she really did for society as a whole. Music was kind of the vehicle, but her as a human was so deeply impacting on so many levels. I think she's just such a worthwhile and notable person to know about. So we should all know about her. I'm going to talk about her background and give you kind of this music legend unveiled vibe for a minute, and then we are going to get into her accomplishments, and then specifically we're going to talk about her accomplishments and legacy after 40. There's so much around ageism and everything else. You know, everyone's trying to do everything by 22, and that's not real life. Tina didn't even get her big breaks or her biggest breaks until she was over 40 years old. So this is, and again, this isn't yesterday. This is like 20, 30, 40 years ago when she was making these massive cultural waves. So let's jump right in. You know I'm a fan, so get out your pen and paper and let's learn about Tina. Today, we gather to honor and celebrate the life and career of a true music icon, the Tina Turner. Join us as we pay tribute to this remarkable artist and this incredible impact she had made on the world of music and beyond. We are going to jump right in. Tina's extraordinary legacy starts in a very humble beginning. Her story is one of sheer determination, resilience, and unwavering passion for music. Born Anna Mae Bullock on November 26, 1939 in Nutbush, Tennessee, she overcame immense challenges to become one of the greatest entertainers of all time. Tina's journey began with her collaboration with Ike Turner, forming the powerhouse duo Ike and Tina Turner Revue. Their electrifying performances and an undeniable chemistry made them a force to be reckoned with in the music industry. Together, they delivered hits like River Deep, Mountain High, and Proud Mary, captivating audiences with Tina's raw and soulful vocals. Despite their tremendous success, Tina's personal life was fraught with turmoil and abuse. In 1976, she summoned the courage to leave the abusive relationship and embark on a solo career that would solidify her status as a true musical legend. The 1980s marked a turning point in Tina Turner's career as she soared to new heights as a solo artist. Her album Private Dancer, released in 1984, became a global phenomenon, earning her critical acclaim and multiple Grammy Awards. Hits like What's Love Got to Do With It and Private Dancer not only showcased her unmatched vocal prowess, but also connected with listeners on a profound level. Tina's live performances were legendary, characterized by her boundless energy, electrifying dance moves, and soulful, stirring vocals. Her concerts were a testament to her incredible stage presence and ability to captivate audiences around the world. Beyond her musical accomplishments, Tina's impact transcended the boundaries of the industry. She became a symbol of strength, resilience, and empowerment for millions of people. In her autobiography, I, Tina, she courageously shared her experiences of domestic violence, inspiring others to break free from abusive situations and fostering important conversations about this critical issue. Tina Turner's influence extends beyond music. Her bold and iconic fashion choices, which you know I'm here for, became a signature part of her persona. From her dazzling outfits to her trademark big hair, she embodied a sense of style that continues to inspire generations of artists and fashion enthusiasts alike. Today, we see Tina's impact on a new generation of artists who cite her as a major influence. Her music, her energy, her resilience continue to resonate with fans worldwide. Tina's powerful voice and timeless hits will forever hold a space in our hearts. As we honor Tina today, let us remember her not only as a musical legend, but also as a beacon of strength, hope, and inspiration. Her story reminds us that no matter the challenges we face, we have the power to rise above and create our own destiny. She is one of the world's greatest music icons and will forever continue to be. So I want to break down some of her accomplishments. If you've seen What's Love Got to Do It with Angela Bassett, that was her breakout role. It really highlighted Tina's career, but her tumultuous relationship with Ike, and really leaned in, for America to see what some of these domestic violence situations and relationships look like. It was an incredible performance by Angela, but it was really, I think, amazing that at that time, for a woman of color, to be comfortable sharing her story and letting it be out there. Tina is, in my opinion, one of the most bravest human beings and souls and spirits to put it out there when in a time, we were still kind of in this polished era where white picket fence, everything's okay. And she was letting the truth be out there and letting her, her story be seen. So that was, a really turning point, I think, in society, as this article is sharing, it showed culturally how things were real and what was going on behind closed doors, but it really showed her journey specifically and how that relationship went into it. And then the pivot point of her leaving. If you watch in What's Love Got to Do With It, she has cents in her pocket and she literally leaves to, I believe, is a police station or friends or something, asking them to take her in, saying, look, I'm Tina. And she just worked her way out from there, but she literally just had to escape. And I think this cultivated a lot of conversation and bringing light to really serious issues. That was a game changer, not only for music, but for society as a whole. Her accomplishments, these are really incredible. Tina Turner's accomplishments are nothing short of remarkable. Throughout her career, she achieved numerous milestones and made significant contributions to the music industry. Here are some of her most notable accomplishments. Number one, Grammy Awards. Tina Turner won a total of 8 Grammy Awards, including Record of the Year and Best Female Pop Vocal Performance for her iconic song, What's Love Got to Do With It. And what's funny is if you watch her documentary, I, Tina, on HBO, watch it. It's amazing. She didn't even really like the song, What's Love Got to Do With It. So it's funny how, it does, you got to have the talent and the energy. No one's like her energy and the team around you to kind of cultivate this perfect thing that can take you to the next level. And even if you don't love it, other people might. And you just got to trust the process. I know I've had to learn that many times and we will continue to do so. Number 2, Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. In 1991, Tina Turner was inducted to the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, recognizing her immense impact on the genre. If you hear like Beyonce talk or Madonna, obviously I'm a fan. Any of these artists that we really know now that are big, they can attribute a lot of their success to Tina. Tina was truly a one of a kind, doing the fashion on her own, doing the hair on her own, doing the style of music on her own, just letting her energy go. If you watch some of her old footage, even well into her 80s, her energy was on fire. It shows one of them, she was walking, she was doing a huge performance and she's literally walking suspended into the air, probably at least 50 to 80 feet. And she's not even tied in. She's just walking along the suspended arm that puts her into the audience. And all there was a guardrail in heels. So this is before all this super technical, safe belt, climbing gear, blah, blah, blah. She was just out there doing it. Number 3, Kennedy Center Honors. In 2005, Tina Turner was honored with the prestigious Kennedy Center Honor for her outstanding contribution to the performing arts. Number 4, Guinness World Records. Tina holds several records in the Guinness World Records, including the record for the largest paying audience, 180,000 people for a solo performer with a single concert. 180,000 humans. And again, this is years and years and years ago. This is not Ed Sheeran, Taylor Swift, and Beyonce today. This is way back in the day. Hollywood Walk of Fame. She received her star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame in recognition of her achievements and lasting influence in the entertainment industry. Number 6, best-selling albums. Tina Turner's albums, Private Dancer, sold over 20 million copies worldwide, making it one of the best-selling albums of all time. She also had other successful albums, including Break Every Rule and Foreign Affair. Number 7, film and television success. Tina's acting career took off with her role in the film adaptation of The Who's Tommy in 1975. She further gained acclaim for her role as the Acid Queen in the film. She also starred alongside Mel Gibson in the blockbuster film Mad Max Beyond Thunderdome in 1985. Number 8, concert tours. Tina embarked on several highly successful concert tours throughout her career, including the Private Dancer Tour and Wildest Dreams Tour, which broke attendance records in many countries. Number 9, influence on future artists. Tina's impact and influence can be seen in the work of countless artists who cite her as a major inspiration. Her powerful vocals, energetic stage presence, and undeniable charisma continue to inspire generations of musicians. As I said, Beyonce, many of these artists, they were paying tribute. If you look to some of her things, as we found out she passed away a few weeks ago, artists from all different genres give shout out and pay tribute to Tina. So the impact is truly unbelievable. Number 10, philanthropy. Tina has been involved in various philanthropic endeavors throughout her life, including supporting organizations such as United Nations Foundations and the Special Olympics. These accomplishments, among others, solidified Tina's status as a true musical legend and enduring figure in pop culture. So now I want to talk about life after 40. This is really notable because, again, so much, even today in this day and age, there's a lot of ageism happening, especially in Hollywood, especially in the music industry. If you're a female and you're over 22, it's probably time to figure out something else. It's like women's gymnastics. You're 14 and your body's tired. This is not the truth. And Tina was defying these labels long before we are having this conversation in 2023. Life after 40. Tina's life after the age of 40 was nothing short of extraordinary. In fact, it can be said that her true breakthrough and some of their most significant achievements came during this period. Here are some of the highlights of Tina Turner's life after 40. Number 1, her solo career. Tina Turner's decision to leave her abusive relationship with Ike Turner marked a turning point in her life. At the age of 45, she embarked on a solo career that would redefine her artistic identity and launch her to new heights of success. So this is huge. Not only did she leave the relationship, but back in the day, or even today, if Ike or the man is handling all your business relationships and everything going right there, when you leave that, you're not leaving the relationships, you're leaving all your connect to everything you have professionally. So she really had to blaze this trail herself and regain a lot of these relationships and reopen doors that she had with Ike and Tina, but without Ike. And again, today it still happens, but all of that back then was handled by the man. So she had to literally re-kick down all these doors to make her own career. Private Dancer album released in 1984. Tina Turner's solo album became a global sensation. It was a critical and commercial triumph, earning her a multiple Grammy Awards, selling over 20 million copies worldwide. The album's success propelled her back into the spotlight and established her as a solo superstar. So again, this is all after 45, I believe. Chart-topping hits. During her solo career, Tina delivered a string of chart-topping hits that solidified her status as an iconic performer. Songs like What's Love Got to Do With It, The Best, and We Don't Need Another Hero became anthems and showcased her powerful vocals and electrifying stage presence. Record-breaking concert tours. Tina Turner's live performances became the stuff of a legend. She embarked on several highly acclaimed successful concert tours, including Private Dancer Tour, the Break Every Rule Tour, and the Wildest Dreams Tour. These tours broke attendance records worldwide, attracting massive crowds and showcasing her incredible energy and stage charisma. Truly one of a kind. If you're young and you've never seen Tina Turner, get on YouTube, get on whatever, go watch her perform. The energy is another level. And it's very reminiscent of what Beyonce does today, and this is where it came from. Acting success. In addition to her musical achievements, Tina Turner also found success in the world of acting. Her role as Acid Queen, which we just talked about in the film adaptation of Who's Tommy in 1975, earned her critical acclaim. She further solidified her acting prowess with her performance in blockbuster film Mad Max Thunderdome. They're highlighting some of the same things, but these are big, again, breaking not only to the music world, but now we're into Hollywood and acting world. Number 6, autobiography. In 1986, Tina Turner released her autobiography, I, Tina, which candidly detailed her life and career and experiences of abuse. The book became a bestseller and further solidified her status as a symbol of strength and resilience. Number 7, continued philanthropy. Throughout her life, Tina remained dedicated to philanthropic endeavors. She's been involved with very valuable causes, including organizations like the United Nations and the Special Olympics. Tina Turner's life after 40 is a testament to the power of perseverance, reinvention, and self-belief. It was during this period that she achieved her greatest accomplishment success, garnered critical acclaim, and solidified her status as one of the most influential and beloved artists in music history. Please check out all of the things that are available to us. What's Love Got to Do with Angela Bassett, the HBO documentary, and then I, Tina, that came out quite a while ago, but there's tons of stuff. But I really watched the live performances and hear her speak. She was a renowned and dedicated Buddhist. She did not play the victim role. She leaned heavy into moving on. And I can actually attribute some of my own resilience and strength to one of her songs. I don't really want to fight anymore. I think I hadn't listened to it in a while, and when she passed away, I put it on. It still kind of jerked some tears up because this was when I was in college, and things were starting to get a little hairy-carry with my family and parents going through divorce. And it was just about letting go. And as I turned 42 and I even just sit and think about the power of overcoming things and then letting go, whatever it is, it's one of the hardest things to do in the world. And to see what she not only did, but the power of her to let go and move on in front of the world at 45 as a woman of color, to rebuild yourself, believe in yourself, and start a completely new life, knowing the best was yet to come. So, you know, some of the lines in the song are, I don't really want to fight anymore. It doesn't matter who's right or wrong. It's time for moving on and letting go. And it's, you got to listen to it. It's so good. So if you're stuck in something and you don't know, or you're worried about your age or your color or your race or something that is holding you back, look what Tina did with what she had and what she didn't have. And she leaned into her name and her self-belief and became the absolute legend, human, not just musical artist, that she is and will always be. Truly inspirational. So learn how to be resilient, learn how to let go, keep moving forward, and keep faith that the best is yet to come. Tina proved it to us. She did it. She's amazing. So God bless. Amen. Rest in power. The Tina Turner. Check out her stuff and join us next week. Cheers.
Thank you for joining Turmeric and Tequila with your host, Kristen Olson. Tune in next time, and don't forget to subscribe on Apple, Google Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you listen.